Have you ever been curious on how people are checking their bags in before they go into the airport? It's called a sky cap. You might be saying, what the heck is a sky cap? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the sky cap at SFO and where they're located. So depending on where airport you're at or you're going to, or leave a comment, subscribe, let me know what airport you're wondering where a sky cap is, and maybe we'll do a video on it.
A sky cap is a person employed at an airport that handles your luggage, strollers, car seats. This is all performed curbside check-in. They assist with the disabled in their wheelchairs. Baggage claim area, that's outside, and then they'll handle it from there. Then you can just go in, go to security, go into your gate. So hopefully that gives you at least an idea on what a sky cap is. Maybe you can use it the next time you go to the airport. All right, so I'll show you what it looks like at the San Francisco International Airport.
So keep an eye out for the sky cap. Right? That's our goal. there's Southwest kiosk right there. Or Sky Cap.
American curbside right there.
Oh. Okay, so Southwest and American are side by side on there. Oops, there we go. All right, okay.
Waiting for pairing.
And let's see. Just gotta do them all. So yeah, newer one back there says we're sighted right around 5. This is under construction. No sky cap here, so we're in the transition from Terminal 1 to Terminal 2, it looks like. Stay on the outside, so at least we kind of get an idea where they're at. Let's see, let's go like that. Okay, so it looks like for Alaska, right at number 1 is their sky cap. Is at number 1 on Terminal 2. Delta doesn't look like they have a sky cap. Okay, so their sky cap is right here between 5 and 6. So Terminal 2 between 5 and 6 is Delta's sky cap that we were. So now we're coming into, it looks like Terminal 3. Got a sky cap between 2 and 3 for United. So United's sky cap doesn't look like anybody's there, but it looks. And they have another one for United right between 4 and 5. That looks like to be open. So for United, Terminal 3 between basically 2 and 5 for United. That's your sky cap. So you can drop your luggage off there, and then looks like we have another check-in. United check-in right under number 9 and 10 looks like. So Terminal 3. So United has a lot of sky caps. Well, there you go. Hopefully that helps. Gives you some information. Here's the breakdown. Terminal 1 sky caps is JetBlue is at 1. Southwest is at 2 and 3. American Airlines is at 3 and 4. Then when we move to Terminal 2, Alaska is at number 1. Delta is at 5, 6. And then we go to Terminal 3, and it looks like United has all 1 through 13. So it depends on which one is open, maybe depending on how busy they are. Maybe they open most of them up, or most of them are shut down. So hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe. I can bring you more of these things. Let me know if there's other questions you have, and I might be able to answer them in a video. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and fun time wherever you're flying to, and hope this video helped. Thanks.